Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Airpods are charged, and in their case with the lid open, this wakes them for pairing. On your Mac, open System Settings and go straight to Bluetooth so you can watch devices appear. Keep Bluetooth turned on and the settings window visible. This helps you confirm the pairing prompt immediately. Once done, press and hold the case setup button until the light flashes white to enter pairing mode. You'll see your Airpods appear in the Bluetooth device list. Click Connect as soon as they show up. Make sure to accept any prompts that ask to allow connection or enable features. This completes the handshake between devices. After connecting, open System Settings sound to choose your Airpods as the audio output and input if desired. Once selected, test audio by playing a short clip and adjusting volume so you confirm both connection and sound routing. You're almost done. Optimize by checking sound settings for output, input, and volume levels, and enable spatial audio if supported. If audio stutters or Airpods won't connect, reset them by holding the case setup button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on in System Settings or restart your Mac. This refreshes services and often resolves lingering connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.